CDG Inspection, your trusted partner for ISO 4210-2 to 2022 testing. We ensure bicycle furniture meets the highest safety and durability standards, testing weight capacity to guarantee reliable storage solutions, simulating real-world conditions for maximum product stability. Our state-of-the-art technology delivers precise results every time. Experienced professionals ensuring accuracy and compliance, replicating real-world usage to validate product safety and durability, testing products to withstand diverse environmental conditions. CDG inspection certification enhances credibility and trust. Trusted worldwide for quality testing services. Our global presence ensures seamless service across industries. Efficient testing services with quick, reliable results. Tailored solutions to meet your unique testing needs. Visit www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry today. CDG Inspection, delivering quality, innovation, and trust.